Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel A to Z about dispensing pharmacy, and I'm your host Pooja Chavan. Friends, today we'll see types of dispensed preparations part 5. I want to tell you to those who are new on my channel that already 4 parts on types of dispensed preparations topic are covered earlier. I will share the link below. Please go through the link. Okay, so let's start with our today's video. Friends, in this slide, you will see different types of dispensed preparations mentioned. They are total 42 in number. It's just for your information, so go through the slide, okay? Let's start. First dispensed preparation is paints. Paints are liquids for application to the skin or mucosa, usually with a soft brush. Skin paints often have a volatile solvent that quickly evaporates to leave a dry or resinous film of medicaments. Let's see examples. Selectin paint and candid mouth paint. Friends, let's see their uses. Selectin paint is used in the treatment of warts, scarring of skin, corns and dandruff. Candid mouth paint. It is used to treat variety of yeast and yeast-like fungi. It is used for the prevention and treatment of candidal infections of the oral cavity, esophagus and intestinal tract. This was all about paints. Next, paste. Paste are semi-solid preparations for external application that differ from similar products in containing a high proportion of finely powdered medicaments. Their stiffness makes them useful as protective coatings. Let's see examples. Maiden 32 paste and Econo paste. Friends, paste are used as a sterilizing infected root canal and as an anti-inflammatory. Next dispensed preparation is pastilles. Pastilles are solid medicated preparations intended to dissolve slowly in the mouth. They are softer than lozenges and their basis is either glycerol and gelatin or acacia and sugar. Friends, let's see examples. Bisolvone dry pastilles and Activox pastille. It is used to enhance cognitive function and brain health. It acts as a neuroprotective and hence used in case of stroke or brain attacks to improve the brain health. These were the uses of pastilles. Next, pessaries. Pessaries are solid medicated preparations for introduction into the vagina where they melt or dissolve and exert a local action. Friends, there are two types. First, molded pessaries. They are cone shaped and prepared in a similar way to suppositories. Second, compressed pessaries. They are made in a variety of shapes and like tablets are prepared by compression. Friends, pessaries are of two types. First, molded pessaries. They are cone shaped. Okay, molded pessaries are normally cone shaped and they are made in similar way as that of suppositories. Okay, next pessaries type is compressed pessaries. As the name say, they are formed, okay, prepared by compression. Same way like tablets, how tablets are prepared by compression, like the same way compressed pessaries are prepared. Okay, and compressed pessaries are variety of shapes they have. Okay, let's see examples. Molded pessaries example is Canesten 100 mg pessary. Okay, next compressed pessaries. The image which you see now is the example of compressed pessary. Okay, see how they look compressed. Okay, friends, pessaries are used to support the uterus, vagina, bladder or rectum. Also used in the treatment of pelvic organ prolapse. A pessary is most commonly used to treat prolapse of the uterus. Friends, now you all will ask what is prolapse. Friends, prolapse is a condition in which organs fall down or slip out of a place. What does slip out of place mean? Slip out of the place means the organs slip from the actual place, okay, their normal place. From their normal place they slip to other place, okay. Next, pills. Pills are defined as a small round solid pharmaceutical oral dosage form of medication. Pills are oral dosage forms that have largely been replaced by tablets and capsules. They are spherical or less often ovoid and usually sugar coated. Let's see examples. The first picture you will see how pills actually look like. Okay, ovoid in shape, small in size. Okay. Example of pills is I-pill. This is a birth control pill, that is, it is used to prevent pregnancy. Okay. Next, poultices. Poultices are paste-like preparations used externally to reduce inflammation because they retain heat well. After heating, the preparation is spread thickly, dressing and applied as hot as the patient can bear it to the affected area. Friends, let me explain you this. A poultice is also called as a cataplasm. It is a soft moist mass often heated and medicated that is spread on cloth and placed over the skin to treat aching, inflamed or painful part of the body. Also, poultices are used in case of arthritis problem. These are the two examples of poultices. Kaolin poultice, Dent's dental poultice. Okay. Next we'll see powders. Powders are mixtures of dry, finely divided drugs and or chemicals that may be intended for internal or external use. Friends, there are two kinds of powders. Bulk powders, which the patient takes with a 5 ml spoon, as this method of dose measurement is imprecise for a powder. Only non-potent medicaments such as indigestion remedies are prescribed in this form. Next, individual powders, which usually contain a potent drug mixed with lactose or other inert diluent. Each dose is separately folded in paper. Let's see examples of both. Friends, this image you can see whey protein. It's a protein powder, okay. This is example of first type of powder, that is bulk powders, okay. Next example of individual powder, wheatgrass sachets, okay. Each dose is separately folded in sachets, okay. So this is the example of individual powders. Okay. Hope you like my today's video. Do comment and let me know, okay. Also mention any doubts if you have related to today's topic, or if you want any detailed information on any dispensed preparations covered in my last video and today's video. Friends, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon, okay, to get notifications of my upcoming videos. Friends, in my next video, I will explain you the remaining 7 dispensed preparation. Okay, so friends, stay tuned with me. Don't miss my further videos, okay. Till then, thank you friends. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.